Hello everyone, welcome to Ada's Kitchen. This is another simple dinner recipe, chicken and veggies that you can grill in the oven and enjoy with your loved ones. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm using baby potatoes, mixed peppers, parsnips, carrots, courgette, chicken and my gravy. Cut the courgette into cubes and the bell peppers. Remove the seeds and cut them into cubes. Peel the carrots and the parsnips and cut them into your preferred sizes as well. I'm cutting mine into cubes. Boil water in a pot, add salt and add the parsnips. Cover it and cook it for just 5 minutes. Add the carrots after removing the parsnips and cook it for another 7 minutes. Cover the baking tray with tin foil while the parsnips and the carrots are cooling down. Add all the veggies to the tray. Sprinkle some salt. Some seasoning powder. Black pepper powder. Sesame oil or any cooking oil that you have. Mix everything together and set it aside. Please like, share and comment. Add salt to the boiled water and add the baby potatoes. Cover it and cook for 10 minutes or until your fork can go through inside. While boiling the potato, pat dry the chicken after wash so that all the seasoning will penetrate inside the chicken. It won't be too watery. Please like, share and comment. Then sprinkle some salt. Some cayenne pepper. Black pepper powder on both sides. Some liquid seasoning. Garlic paste. Ginger paste. Sesame oil if you have. Then mix everything properly well together and leave it to marinate for like 2 hours or more. Mix everything properly well together. Then the potato is boiled and cooled down. Sprinkle some salt and sesame oil. Mix it together. Put the chickens on top of the veggies or on top of the potatoes. Either of the two is good, or you can use a bigger tray to mix everything together and put the chickens on top. Preheat your oven and grill at 200 degrees for 45 minutes or 1 hour. When the food is almost ready, add some warm water to a measuring cup that you can use in the microwave. Add some gravy powder, mix it properly well together and just put it in the microwave for just 1 minute. Open the oven and just mix everything, turn it around. It's almost ready. Then the food is ready and serve. Enjoy yourself with this lovely dinner recipe, chicken and veggies. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell button for more dishes and notifications. May God bless you as you do so. This is a dinner recipe that you can enjoy with your family and loved ones. This is my gravy after 1 minute inside the microwave. This is my dinner that I'm enjoying with my family. Enjoy it with your loved ones and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell button so that whenever we upload any dish, it will notify you. May God bless you.